Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys my personal recipe on how to make the perfect and the best lip scrub that will take away all these dead skins of your lip and leave your lip glowing, succulent, moisturized, and you guys understand all that good stuff. So in today's video you guys are going to see me make my homemade lip scrub. Everything are things you can just find in the kitchen. I always do like natural stuff so that you don't have to think about, oh, how much do I have to buy today? I'll just leave my lip like that. No. And if you guys notice I'm glowing, I just washed my face from my turmeric face mask, and then that is just like a bomb. I also have a video where I did that, so you can go and check out that video to see how to use homemade products to leave your skin glowing. I don't want to talk too much, but that being said, let's get into today's video. So I just came out from the bedroom washing my lips. You guys can see the difference. You can see the difference. You can see all the dead edges. So most times I just like to take a little Vaseline to put it on the lip before I go in with my towel, because most times I used to use towels to like pick up the So one of the major functions of going in with Vaseline first is just to avoid like injury. So when the Vaseline is there, there's a little lubrication, so you can then now go in. You guys can see it come off. Can see it come off. Look at it. Now can you see my lips? All pink. I didn't have to go through anything. So most times I advise that if you want to go to bed, you use the Vaseline on your lips. But probably if you're going out, you can use your lip gloss or anything to just make your lip look perfect. But me, I'll be going in with my Vaseline. Don't mind if my fingers look yellow. I just finished my turmeric solution, just like I told you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more beauty updates. I'll be doing more of this type of videos, so I would like you all to subscribe. Thank you for joining my video today. I love you all so much.